What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. My name's Jay Yudlowski, and in today's video, we're talking the Joby Gorillapod Action Tripod. I'm gonna unbox this guy and give you my thoughts. So let's get into the video. All right, so here we go. We got the Joby Gorillapod Action Tripod. Now I've got one similar to this that I've used for my GoPro for a long time. It's a cheap brand, like a Targus, I think it is. And it's starting to fall apart, and it was never really made that good anyway, but it worked for what I needed it for at the time. So I actually saw this guy on sale around Black Friday. Usually I think it's around 50 bucks, but saw this guy on sale for $15. So I couldn't pass that up. All right, so here we go. We're gonna open this guy up. See what we got here. It looks like a nice little level on the top here. Help get your camera level while you're setting it up. So right off the bat, this thing is nice and light. I like the way it feels. Let's see, we have an extra little part here to mount your GoPro on. It's the part that actually will screw into your GoPro case will screw into. So we have that. I'll put this over here. We have, okay, so this is pretty nice. I like it. I like the feel of it. The joints on the legs here are actually really stiff, which is good because then when I wrap it around something or you want to set it up, it's actually going to have enough strength in these legs to hold it up. I'll compare this to the original one that I have. That I think, like I said, I think it was a Targus brand. It wasn't that great. But it lasted for what I needed it for. But the build quality of this is much better than the other one that I had. Okay, so here's the original one that I had. You can see the way the joints and the legs are very different. This one has a little bit of rubber on the legs here, but as you can see, I mean, this rubber just comes right off. It's not even really attached. Whereas on the Joby one, I mean, I can't move this rubber at all. It's not coming off. It's not gonna go anywhere. I really like the way that this is built. I think it's a much better quality than this. And truth be told, since the Joby was on sale, I probably paid about the same price for both of them. I mean, this was probably around 15 bucks, 10 bucks, I don't know. Got it at, Target, Walmart, somewhere like that. And this one on sale was $15 also. So I think this is great. I'm excited to try this out with my GoPro, see how it works. And I mean, right off the bat, I'm almost positive it's gonna be better than the original one that I had. The legs feel better, it feels stronger, and I think it's gonna do a great job for mounting my GoPro wherever I might wanna put it. All right, so there you go, the Joby Gorillapod Action Tripod. This thing is good, build quality is good, I like it. I'm looking forward to using it with my GoPro. I think you can also get mounts for it for your phone if you film with your phone a little bit, but this is gonna do a great job in helping me be able to put my GoPro wherever I want to get shots that I need. So if you're interested in purchasing this, I'll leave a link in the description below to Amazon where you can go purchase it. And I don't know if it's still on sale. Hopefully it is, because for $15, this thing was a steal. It was a great buy. So thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. If you're into photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, and even a little bit of video and video editing, consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.